Common yew, Taxus baccata. Common yew is an evergreen found in Europe and North Africa and in a band through to Burma. Mature examples reach around 15 metres with a breast height diameter of about 2.5 metres. Grain is fairly straight, sometimes curly and irregular, with a medium texture. The heartwood is golden orange brown with areas of purple, mauve and brown streaks. Sapwood is pale, whitish yellow and well defined. Bark is reddish grey, rough and flaky. The bole is often made up of fused shoots and the crown is rounded. It has flat pointed needles, spirally arranged in 2 lateral rows, dark green above, paler yellow-green below. Flowers are yellow male, green female, on separate trees, February to April. Small red fruits cup a long seed. It has medium bending and crushing strength, low stiffness and impact resistance. Air-dried straight-grained samples steam bend well. It dries rapidly and well. It has fair dimensional stability. The heartwood is durable but not resistant to the common furniture beetle, and its specific gravity averages 0.67. Straight-grained samples are fairly easy to work with hand or machine tools, planing to a good finish. Curly and irregularly grained samples are more challenging, often tearing out. It chops and bores okay. Nails and screws okay but requires pre-boring. Glue's okay if natural oils are wiped off beforehand, and takes a polish or wax to an excellent finish. Its uses include interior and exterior joinery, gate posts, furniture and cabinetry, turnery, decorative veneer, and also as bow staves for English longbows.
If you like it, share it, and why not follow me on Patreon and other social media. Cheerio! Can you help me build my world of woods? If you've got a sample of wood which isn't commonly imported or sold in the UK that you can let me have, it'd be great to hear from you.